You're so very welcome here to this self-care and nurturing space where we connect to spring's essence while being guided into a healing mindfulness meditation. As we settle into a safe and comfortable space, let's bring a gentle awareness to our bodies and breath while connecting with the beautiful layers of our being. Find a comfortable place, either lying down or sitting, and allow your body to relax. As you start to breathe in deeply, feel the oxygen circling around your body, releasing any tension you might be holding on to on your out breath. You can gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take in a few soft and slow, deep breaths in. Inhale softly and deeply and feel the gentle rise of your abdomen and chest. Breathe out softly and gently, releasing any thoughts that no longer serve you. Allowing any thoughts to flow away without any resistance. Let each breath be a soft wave washing through you, bringing you a sense of calmness. Take in a soft and slow, deep breath in through your nose, all the way in, and allow any tension, any blocked energy, any stagnant energy to be released as you breathe out. Breathe in spring's fresh essence and feel this fresh energy swirling around your body, sweeping away any discomfort, any stagnant energy or tension. Take in a soft and slow, deep breath in. Fill your lungs with oxygen. Allow the oxygen be absorbed by fully breathing all the way in. And as you breathe out, you feel your body relaxed, free of tension. If you find it difficult to focus on the here and the now, just ask your mind to give you some time for this guided mindfulness, simply by saying, "Please, mind, please give me the space to be here and now, without any thoughts rushing through my mind. Now is my time, my self-care time, to connect with myself." Imagine yourself stepping into a beautiful landscape, bathed in soft golden morning May light. The air is fresh and it carries the delicate fragrance of blooming flowers. Notice the vibrant greens of new leaves unfurling on the trees. Notice how they reach towards the gentle warmth of the sun. You can see so many dotted wildflowers, red poppies, white daisies, the beautiful colours of the wildflowers dotted around the landscape fills you with so much gratitude. Feel the soft, gentle breeze on your skin. Hear the birds singing in the background. Listen closely to the symphony of nature. A harmonious chorus celebrating the awakening of life. As you stand in this serene space, bring your awareness to your physical body. Feel your feet on the soft and rejuvenating green grass. You feel the energy of the earth coming up through your body like a subtle vibration, making you feel alive. You feel a connection with the earth as your body stands on the soft and fresh, nurturing grass. It's as if the energy of the earth and your body is fusing together like a symbiotic relationship. You nurturing the earth and the earth nurturing you. Imagine your body as a crystalline structure. Each cell shimmering with a pure, clear light. Visualize this light flowing through you, flowing down into the earth and back up through you, cleansing, revitalizing, recharging and purifying every single part of your being as you breathe in deeply. The deeper you breathe, the deeper this pure, healing, crystalline energy flows through your body, cleansing and purifying every cell, every energy center, organ and system, balancing your hormones and completely balancing your whole body, your energy body and your energy field. You feel this beautiful, perfect energy within your physical body. and know that you are a vessel of incredible resilience and beauty. Now gently expand your awareness beyond your physical form. Sense the subtle layers of energy around you. Feel your energetic body, your aura. Imagine these as luminous fields of light extending outwards from your body, connecting you to the world around you. Feel this luminous crystalline light having filled your body, coming up through the earth, expanding and expanding, outward and outward. Feel your energetic body expanding, outward and outward. You feel connected to the trees and the birds, as if your energy is as one. Bring your attention to your emotional body, the layer that holds your feelings and sensations. Allow any emotions present to simply be without any judgment. Imagine a soft, gentle light enveloping your emotional body, sweeping away any turbulence and soothing any imbalances in your emotions, bringing you a sense of peace, harmony, acceptance, and love. Now move your awareness to your mental body, the realm of your thoughts and beliefs. Observe your thoughts as they drift by like clouds in the sky. Gently release any thoughts that create stress, anxiety, tension, or doubt. Imagine a clear, bright light illuminating your mental landscape, cleansing through your mind, fostering clarity and understanding. You feel a big weight lifting off your mind. Now sense the deeper layers of your being, your multidimensional bodies. Feel your connection to the vastness of the universe, to the infinite possibilities that reside within you. You are much more than your physical form. You're a being of light and consciousness, connected to all that is. In this expansive state, turn your attention inwards to the quiet wisdom that resides within you. This inner wisdom is like a gentle knowing voice, always present, always guiding you. Trust this inner voice. It speaks to your truth, to your deepest knowing. Perhaps you receive a gentle nudge, an intuitive feeling, an inner knowing, a subtle insight. Allow yourself to be open to this inner guidance, trusting that you hold the answers you seek within. Know that your crystalline body, your multi-dimensional bodies, are inherently wise and self-healing. Trust in this innate intelligence. Trust in your own inner wisdom. Take in a soft and slow, deep breath in to this beautiful, serene space. Feeling the gentle energy of May nurturing your being. Allow this sense of peace and trust to integrate within you. Now feel your body surrounded by a shield of protection, a sphere of protection. Feel your body resting and floating in pure May spring bright light. This is your protection bubble, where no one will be able to drain you, where your emotions are balanced, where you're the observer without any judgment. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your physical body, to the room around you. Remember, you can return to this inner sanctuary anytime you wish to reconnect with your crystalline essence, your multidimensional nature, and the unwavering wisdom you have within. Thank you so much for listening. From my heart to yours. Take care.